Welcome to Titan's Maxum 2 Gun Maintenance Series video. Here, you'll learn how to replace the Maxum 2 air tube and check valve. You'll want to perform this procedure if you notice paint in the clear tube or a loss of fluid flow. First up, remove the old tubes and valve assembly from your Maxum 2 gun head and cup lid ports. With your turbine running, depress the gun trigger to the first stage and verify this. If air is not blowing from the gun head port, you will need to clean it out and recheck for airflow. You will also need to verify that the port into the cup lid for the tube is clean. If there is buildup here, make sure to clean it out before moving forward. Next, inspect the new valve assembly and locate the arrow and gun markings on it. This will determine which way it needs to be installed onto the gun. The last thing you'll do is install the new valve and tube assembly back onto both ports. Double check that the arrow is pointing toward the gun head. Thank you for watching this maintenance video for the Titan Maxum 2 gun. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.